Hello and welcome back. In this tip, we'll explore quick forms in model-driven apps. They are designed to make data entry faster and easier by focusing only on the key fields you need, therefore, in the long run, saving you time. On the screen here, we have got quotations and quotation line items. Currently, we have no quick form. So what happens when I want to add a quotation line item for this quotation right here? When I click on new quote line item, it navigates me to a new page with a complete form where I have to complete this to say quantity is 12, and then I have to save and close so that I go back to the previous window. As you can see here, there's a lot of clicks that I had to go through. How do we go about adding a quick form that will handle this quickly for us? To do that, we'll go to the backend. I'll open the form that I want to add the quick form on, click on properties and advanced options, and make sure that this leverage quick forms is checked. Save and then go to forms, and here we only have got the main form, the card, the quick view. I'll click on add new form, and this one should be quick create. I'll just give it a name of information create. Then I'll add the information. When the form is saved and published, what we do is we go back to the previous window. In our solution, go to our application, edit the application, because now we have to add the quick form into the actual app. From here, I'll select the quote line items, expand on the right hand side here, and here you see that we have got our quick create form inside of the system already. Click publish and then click play. So now if I open my code here and I want to add another code line item, if I click on add, instead of me being navigated to a new window entirely, it will just pop up here. And the good thing is that if I say, okay, I need a laptop bag, I need 12 laptop bags, and at the bottom here, if I just want to add one item, I can just click save and close. But if I want to add multiple items, I can just click on this drop down here to say save and create new. So what it will do, it will save that laptop bag, then it will give me a new form. And then I can also add here to say when I'm done, I can just say save and close. All that information that I've added here is here. So we've eliminated about 6 clicks just for us to get to the other form. And then click save and close so that we're navigated back here. But in so doing, by just adding a quick create form, it just pops up. Thank you for watching.